In today's video, I am going to teach you how to correctly create a template in Pandadoc. To begin, make sure you are logged into your Pandadoc workspace and you are looking at the main dashboard. On the left-hand navigation menu, find Templates and click it. This is where Pandadoc stores reusable documents that you can use again and again without rebuilding them from scratch. Once you are on the Templates page, click the option to add a new template shown as Plus Template. This tells Pandadoc you want to create a new reusable layout. Next, choose Template. This option creates a true template, not a one-time document. At this point, you can also use an existing template if you already have one that is close to what you need. Starting from an existing design can save time and help you stay consistent with formatting, branding, and structure. Once you select the template option or a starting template, you will be taken into the editor. Now you will set up roles. Roles are important because they control who needs to fill out or sign different parts of the document. On the right sidebar, click Manage Roles. Then type a role name that matches the person who will act on the document, such as signer. Keep role names clear and simple so it is easy to assign fields correctly later. After you type the name, click Create Role. You should now see that role available for assignment within the template. With roles ready, you can start adding content. From the right sidebar, drag a text block onto the page. Place it where you want your written content to appear. Text blocks are useful for instructions, headings, terms, or any standard language you want to reuse. After dropping it onto the page, you can click into the block and enter or adjust the text as needed. Finally, add a signature area. From the right sidebar, drag a signature field onto the page and place it where the signer should sign. Before you move on, make sure that signature field is assigned to the role you created. This is critical because if it is not assigned correctly, the wrong person may be prompted to sign, or the signing step may not work as expected. That covers everything you need to know.